So in this video, I will demonstrate how SQL injection works on Altoro Mutual website and explain its impact on web security. So ite-testing natin sa website na to kung hindi properly sanitize yung user inputs. So para ma-confirm natin is gagamitin natin yung SQL injection attack string. So let's log in. So log in. So, nag-login na siya. So, it is confirmed that the user inputs does not properly sanitize. So, why is this bad? So, first, hackers can log in as anyone, even as an admin. So, that is worst. So, second, hackers can steal or delete data. So, let's now proceed on explaining how this works. So normally, when you log into a website, it checks your username and password in a database with a query like this. So what the attacker does, just like what I did kanina, is they type this instead. So kanina, I used this as my username and also my password. So it works because first, 1 equals 1 is always true. And since OR makes at least one condition true, so the database returns a valid user. So that is my case study number 1, and thank you so much for listening.